Hey buddy, today in this video we're making air fryer Pillsbury mini Cinni Stixs. Let's begin. We have here Pillsbury mini Cinni Stixs and it can make up to 24 pieces. And let's open it up. The can says to start here to peel. And as you can see, it says press spoon at seam until the can pops open. But we're just going to use our finger. We have press at the seam. And it should pop open. There we go. For this video, we're just going to make the first batch. So let's open it up. It's already pre-cut. Here we go. This is what it looks like before we put it in, and now let's preheat the air fryer. We're going to turn on the air fryer. We're going to push the preheat button, and we're going to preheat it to 300 degrees. And we'll be back. It's been preheated to 300 degrees. Now let's put it in. Before we put it in, we're just going to spray some cooking oil into the basket. There we go. We're only going to make the first batch. Now let's put it in. There we go, and now let's put it in. Okay, we're going to turn it on. We're going to turn it to 300 degrees for a total time of 8 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been a total time of 8 minutes at 300 degrees. Let's take it out. Looking wonderful. Let's take it out. Next, we're going to take the cinnamon icing and spread it on top. There we go. Okay, this is what we have today, air fryer Pillsbury mini Cinni Stixs. Here, have a bite, and thanks for watching.